Here I'm going to show you how you can delete temp files using Command Prompt or Terminal in Windows. So by default, Command Prompt is already installed and accessible in Windows. Depending on the version of Windows you have, you may not have Windows Terminal installed on your Windows 10 device by default, but you can install that from the Microsoft Store. So we're just going to hit Windows key S and we're going to search for Command Prompt, or type in CMD and it will pick that out. Then hit enter, and here you'll get the Command Prompt window open. And here is where we'll type in a command that will delete all the temp files which are in the temp file directory in Windows. So we're going to type in del, which is short for delete, and then we're going to do /q/f/s, and then we're going to do a space, and then we're going to do %temp%, and then we're going to do backslash, and then an asterisk. Now the %temp% is the directory where we want it to search for and delete files. The asterisk, the backslash asterisk, is basically any file within that directory. And the QFS is basically looking to try and delete those files if they aren't being accessed and used by the operating system. Now if we hit enter, you can see that some of the files have deleted, but some were denied access for it to being deleted, and some were in use. And because it wasn't in use, the operating system wouldn't attempt to delete them at all. You can also use the same command in terminal. So if we go to search and I type in terminal and we hit open, here you can see it opens up to PowerShell. And you can type in the same command, and you will notice that it doesn't work in PowerShell. So you have to hit on the drop down and hit on Command Prompt, and here is where you'll do it within Terminal.